Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this key which has the fob with it. This belongs to a Peugeot 307 2007. Many models have this type of key, so this will apply to other models as well. I'm just gonna be changing the battery in it, and the battery that this particular key has is a 1620. So I'll be using this Duracell here. And we're just gonna need a flathead screwdriver or something similar, maybe even a coin that can be placed in here, and then you want to twist the key. You may notice that I just opened the key because when you open this, the key will come out anyway. So it's just a matter of twisting it. It can be a little bit hard, but it will open. The thicker your screwdriver, in this case, the better. And that's where the little battery is. We can go ahead and take that out. Just note how it's fitted, but it more or less tells you here. Inside of here it says the bottom bit is plus and the top bit is negative. So that bit there is plus and the top bit is the negative. Right, so let's get this in there. So I was just trying not to touch the battery, so I don't leave any marks, any fingerprints on the surface of the battery, so you can have a very good contact basically. And now we can fit this back, and now it's just a matter of pressing this until it clicks in. And that's it. There's no LEDs on this particular fob, so can't really see if it's operating or not. Just from here, we have to test it with the car. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.